I've been waiting to do a video on this little guy for a while now. This is a Typhon Grom BLX, which I picked up on Facebook Marketplace. It already came with a upgraded Hobbywing ESC, but I've also added a ton of upgrades to it, including GPM front aluminium knuckles, both sides, GPM aluminium rear hubs, GPM turnbuckles at the front, a GPM steering rack, which you can see there in red also, GPM shock protectors at the top on the front and rear, also a GPM shock tower protection plate at the top. I have Scorched RC front and rear chassis protector plates. I've added my Flysky Gyro Receiver to this, so I can use my Flysky Noble NB 4 Plus onto this on this rig. And as I said, the Hobbywing Quicrun 45 amp ESC came with it, came with this purchase. So a lot of money has been spent on this small RC, probably more than I should have, but you know how it is. It's really easy to get carried away when you're into the RC hobby. But the reason I wanted to do this is because I was prepping for this thing to arrive. This bad boy just landed at my door today. This is the Proline conversion kit for the Typhon Grom. So it's the VW Bug red race body conversion kit with also comes with flat iron tires. So I'm really excited to convert the Typhon Grom to this. I'm gonna open this in a moment and start putting it together because it requires a bit of installation on the body. And I'm not going to bore you guys with instructions on how to do it. There's a much better video of someone else who can give you those instructions way better than I can. So I'll link that video into the description or tell you where you can find it. But yeah, let's check this out. So what you get in the kit is the body. You've got the associated hardware with it and the fixings to put the body together. And you get a set of 4 Proline wheels. Now, this kit is not exactly cheap. It cost me £70 here in the UK from Model Sport, and I believe I probably had the first batch delivered to me today because it's out of stock on their website again. But yeah, you can get this body in this red colour. Or you can get it in a blue colour. I chose the red because I wanted to get red parts on the Typhon Grom, so it matches up nicely. First impression of the tyres is that they look really great. They've got a really nice tread pattern on them. They're pretty firm. They're very firm. But they seem like great quality, so it'll be really interesting to see how they perform. is, guys, the finished article. It's completely changed up this RC and I love how it looks. Completely different to the Typhon and now a VW Baja Bug. The parts for the body didn't come with any instructions, but I've just followed the instructions on the Proline YouTube video. And that was pretty easy, so it didn't take very long. Is it worth what it costs? Personally, I think because it's basically giving you a totally different RC car and it comes with the tyres as well, it's not too bad, but also do appreciate it's not cheap. Let me know what you guys think. Is £70 in the UK or $70 in the US good value for this kit, and whether you're also considering getting it. I'll be taking it for a test run soon, but it's been pissing down in the UK, so hopefully I can take it out soon, and when I do, I'll definitely post a video on it. But in the meantime, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I just wanted to thank you for all your engagement and subs on my channel so far. It's been good fun starting this channel, and I appreciate all the support and engagement I get.